So I taught our cats to ring this bell when they want a treat. Let's see if she does it. There you go. Whoops.
Good girl.
Here you go. Kitty, kitty. You don't want it to go down the vent. Here, you did it. You get it. Good girl. You get your head out of the treats. You didn't ring the bell. Oh, you gonna do it, Lily? Ring the bell and you get a treat, Lily. Who wants a treat? Ring the bell. Anybody? Do you want another treat? You gotta ring the bell. Ring the bell. You were close, then you got distracted by talk, didn't you?